And first at 5 and just into our newsroom, an Adams County jury just reached a verdict in the trial of 2 Aurora police officers charged in the death of Elijah McClain.
Aurora Officer Randy Roedema is guilty of criminally negligent homicide and third-degree assault. Officer Jason Rosenblatt not guilty on all charges. Both were charged in connection with the August 24, 2019 arrest of the 23-year-old Elijah McClain, who died just days later. Chief Investigative Reporter Tony Kovaleski joining us now.
And Tony, I know this verdict was just read minutes ago, but I think a lot of people are wondering why guilty for one officer, not guilty for the other.
It's the question I think we're going to continue to ask, Ann, for probably the next several days. And we know Roedema was first on scene, but we know a jury spent more than 2 days diving into this issue. This is something that has been talked about, looked at, and everybody wanting to know which way it goes. And I think to answer your question about why one and why not the other, I think you have to unpack their roles and the complexity. Remember, originally the DA in Adams County said there wasn't sufficient evidence to file a charge. Attorney General dives in, gets a grand jury indictment, and now we come back with I think you have to say a very interesting verdict that raises those questions. Why one and not the other? Because both had parts in it. You heard as it went to the jury, Roedema's attorney said, and this is a quote, that Roedema used reasonable and efficient force and McClain died from a ketamine overdose, trying to convince the jury. Obviously that didn't work. Lots of powerful testimony that we've listened to during this trial. It's a verdict that makes all of us go, wow, now what's next? And obviously another trial with the third officer that's supposed to start tomorrow. We'll be following that, and then later on we have another trial with the paramedics that were involved. So we get some sense that the jury said it was wrong, but why not both of them? I'm anxious to hear attorneys talk afterwards and to get their take on both sides of the aisle.
Well, we haven't even begun the whole discussion about ketamine use either, and again, that is to come in the other trials.
Yes, and that will be a heavy focus, obviously, with the paramedics and a lot of people looking at this verdict from different perspectives, right? You've got the racial issue that was there. You've got the emergency issue with law enforcement, what they can and can't do. The paramedic issue, should they have issued the ketamine? So there's a lot, as I said earlier, for our team to unpack on this verdict. We know we've got some answers right now, but there's still many questions that it'll be interesting to hear. And you heard the judge when the verdict was read. He gave the jury the opportunity to speak if they choose to speak. I think that will be fascinating if we can get inside this verdict, if 1, 2, or more of the jurors decide to explain how they landed on that. And to answer your initial question, Ann, which is why one and not the other.
And it's going to be interesting to hear from his family, their reaction to this process and this verdict, and then what happens next.
And sentencing is also coming up next week. I believe I heard Tuesday. The depth of that sentence and what message that sends. A guilty verdict is one thing, but what kind of sentence comes with that verdict?
Well, and
that's
it
what
looks
we'll
like
also be
that
watching.
will be in January is the sentencing date that has been set. But you're right, so much to unpack here. And obviously, this just happened a few minutes ago, so we are still filtering through all of that information.
We will have much more. Thank you, Tony. And we do have a crew that's at the courthouse. We'll have live updates just coming up in a moment. You can also check Denver7.com for all of the updates and a timeline of this case.
An important verdict for our community. Everybody's been watching.